Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2013 utility 40 foot by 102. Folks, this is an excellent unit. Universal mounting kit on the back. Kingpin plate on this unit has been replaced. Brand new steel headache rack. Excellent condition. Unit's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Sliding air ride suspension on the back. This unit is a 45 foot long universal mounting kit. Steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber, brand new pads on this unit. Universal mounting kit, Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see the available piggybacks, trailers, and flatbed trucks that we have in stock. Brand new rubber, steel refurbed outer rim, brand new straps with refurbed ratchets. Folks, this is a 45 foot by 102. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We're more than happy to help you with any package you might need or any questions you might have.